AI engines weigh who said something, not just what was said. Experience, expertise, authority, trust. The problem is your author byline is just text. A machine can't tell if by Sarah is a credentialed ed expert or a pen name. EEAT. Schema fixes that by publishing your authors as structured data engines can actually read. It builds a person's schema for each author from fields you fill in once: their name, job title, the employer they're affiliated with, what they're an expert in, and their bio. That's the difference between an anonymous post and a page an engine can attribute to a named qualified human. Then it adds the links that prove the person is real and established, their profiles across the web in the sameAs field. That's how an engine connects your author to their reputation elsewhere and decides the content carries weight. Identity made verifiable. And because trust signals should help readers too, it can append a clean author card to the end of your posts. Photo, name, title, expertise, links. The same information serving two audiences at once, your readers and the engines reading over their shoulder. EEAT Schema is part of AEO God Mode Pro, and the plugin starts free. Search AEO God Mode under Add New Plugins, install the free version, and build your structure. Add verifiable author authority when you upgrade. No card to start. Begin at aeogodmode.io.